Personality assessments has been increasingly used in the diverse organizations for hiring. Does personality traits influence their productivity? According to article published in Economic Journal in 2016, the author conducts an experiment to discover these questions. They recruited a total of 359 students from University of New South Wales in Australia, and they run 15 sections. Before the experiment results, let's review the previous literatures. In 1964, Werk-Becker highlighted the relevance of cognitive skills in explaining earning differences. Within the set of non-cognitive skills, personality traits are one of the most relevant instruments in the study of differences in earnings and productivity. Recent studies have linked job performance and wages to the Big Five personality traits. Openness, characterized by creativity, adventurous, and curiosity. Conscientiousness, characterized thoughtfulness and task-oriented behavior. Extroverts are energized, sociable, and expressive. Agreeableness, perceived as kind, sympathetic, related to social behaviors. Neuroticism, perceived as unstable emotion and mood swings. How do the personality traits predict behavior at work? Emotionally stable and conscientious individuals are more likely to be employed. McCreen and Terentiano report similar differences by gender in cultures with very different gender roles and expectations. The Big Five personality traits are considered to be largely uncorrelated with cognitive skills, and this is also why the authors choose Big Five personality traits as research model. The authors also discovered the other subfactor affecting the relationship between personality and productivity. So the hypotheses are, first, neuroticism is negative toward productivity. Second, conscientiousness gives positive effect to productivity. Third, openness could impact negatively on productivity. There are two experiments. The first one is calculation. The objective is to measure the level of the subject's concentration, determination, and problem-solving skill under time pressure. There will be two sections, 10 minutes each. At the end of the test, you can exchange the points into actual money. The second experiment is the questionnaire. First questionnaire is about the family background and income. The second questionnaire is about the Big Five traits personality test. As a result, all the hypotheses are valid. We found that the one who has higher neuroticism has lower productivity. According to the experiment, we also found that the one who has higher conscientiousness has higher productivity. Lastly, we found that the one who has higher openness tend to has a lower productivity. From the result, we also found that there is a heterogeneous effect. The first one is gender. We found that the extrovert men tend to have a positive impact on their productivity, while the extrovert women tend to have a negative impact on their productivity. The second one is the measure of study. We found that higher neuroticism people perform better in non-science, while higher openness people perform better in science. The third one is family background. We found that the one who has a lower income and education level of their parents tend to be more productive. According to the article, there are some discussions. Is our tech determined by cognitive ability, accounting for cognitive ability, or lack of external validity? Here are the conclusions according to the experiment's results. We also think that don't feel bad if you think you're a less favored personality. Remember, you can always develop your personality.